Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to make Shopify website for clothing brand. Now, we will be demonstrating how you could use Shopify, how to add products, and how to set up your store, everything related to setting it up for your clothing store. So, as you can see right now on our screen, we're currently in Shopify. And to get started, this is a currently new account. So I'm assuming you guys would have a new account as well. So to get started, you would need to set up all of this setup guide over here to ensure that your platform or your store is ready to go. And one of the most important things that you need to set up is the payment provider and your payment settings in your settings area over here under the bottom left. And you have your billings, your payments, taxes, and all of those things. Those are the things that you need to set up if you're dedicated to setting up your store. If you're still trying out Shopify and testing it out, you could do the other things like add your first product, customize your online store, which we will be doing in today's video. So, Shopify is built to sell different types of products. You could sell all sorts of products, whether it's digital, or an actual product, or a specific category like a clothing brand. Now, good thing for us, Shopify is specifically built for those type of products like a clothing brand. So to get started, let's show you how you will be able to add your own products from your clothing store. So select your products over here on the left side. And in this section, this is where you will be able to add new products. So you could either import products from an external source like a CSV, or you could add products over here, which will redirect us to another page, which will basically show us the different information that we could input into our section to add our new product. So we have our title over here. So let's add a simple product. So let's say brown t-shirt. Like this. Then you could add your description over here. You could even generate an AI text over here. So let's say brown t-shirt made with 100% high quality cotton. And if you click on generate, the AI will generate you a description, as you can see here for you. As you can see, this t-shirt is expertly crafted with 100% high quality cotton. And then you could add more to that information. You can add media like photos of your product. You can upload it here. You could upload videos, images, and even 3D models. And then you have your pricing over here. On the price, you could enter how much you want it to be. And on the compare at price, for example, you want to show that you are selling a cheaper version or a discounted version. So this one should be higher. So like, for example, $550. And you could also modify or add the cost per item so that you will understand or you will be able to see your profit. So let's say the cost of the t-shirt is $300. As you can see, we will be able to have a 40% margin. You could also track your inventory, your track quantity. You could enable this or disable. These are very important for clothing store. You could disable continue selling without stock, all of those things. Let's add 5 as our we added 5 as our amount of stock over here. And let's continue editing it. I accidentally edited ad, or I accidentally saved it. Let's go back. As you can see, it's going to appear here. We have brown t-shirt. So we're going to edit this again. Anyway, over here below, you could add the weight and then the variants. The variants are very important for your different clothing. Of course, you have different sizes, different colors, materials, and styles. So for example, sizes. You could enter the different sizes that you have, whether it's XL, large, maybe let's go with medium over here, then small, then XS. So we have all of that, then click on done. Now you have sizes as part of your variants. And let's add another one, maybe like color. So we have different colors. So we could say beige, or like plain brown, or any other color that you want, whether it's black or stuff like that. It's going to appear over here, as you can see. Then we could add another option, maybe material. We have cotton as our example earlier. and maybe let's say 50% cotton or stuff like that. It depends on the type of clothing, of course, that you're going to add, the type of product. As long as it's within clothing, the variants are very important, as you can see here. And over here, if you want to have a different pricing for a specific variant, you could put it over here as well. As you can see, you could add specific prices. And after that, aside from the product type over here, you could also enter a product type, and you could also enter a collection. I will show you the collection after this one. Let's save this. So after saving your product, it will appear in your product list, of course. And there's also this section collection, which I think is very important for clothing brands, because under the collection, this is basically where you could put together a collection of clothes. So if you want to put winter clothing or like summer clothing, stuff like that, or discounted picks, stuff like that, you could add it over here. So winter clothing, you could add all sorts of description that you want. Then you could even add a photo for you to use, and click on save. And then you will now have a winter clothing collection. So now what you would do is you could go to your products, go open your specific product that you want to have in the collections, select collections over here, then select winter clothing, to select that, click on save, and winter clothing should now be part. It now has one product over here. So you could categorize and group multiple types of clothing brands. Another tool that I would suggest that you guys use is Canva over here. Canva is really great because you are able to use a lot of mockups. So before you upload your different photos in your Shopify store, you could actually use our apps over here, and let me upload the photo over here for a bit. You could use its feature where you could click on edit image, and we will be able to add or use some mockups supposedly. So where is it? There we go, mockups. So there are a lot of different clothing mockups that is available over here. So as you can see, apparels. So you could use this for your products, or if you have the image of your products, you could use these people over here as a great example of having a mockup, so that you could at least have a great mockup appearance for your product. As you can see, for example, this one, as you can see, we have our character. So if you have the copy of your design, you could simply attach this to this as well, so that you could have, or you could use a very professional photos for your Shopify. If you want to modify your online store, of course, go over here under sales channel, select online store. You have different themes. The themes are the appearance of your website, so that depends on your preference. But right now we have a default theme over here. So if you preview this, we will be able to see the appearance of our website right now, and all of our products over here. I didn't upload anything on our photo, so this is what it would look like. But to you guys, if you upload the photo, it will appear over here. Then if you want to customize it, simply click on customize, and you will be able to customize your store very easily. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.